exhaust systems has arrived. A brand new chapter in the history of technological innovation. Based on over 20 years of experience and passion, defying the limits and challenging the impossible. Enjoy the exclusivity of changing the sound character with the simple touch of a button. Behold and listen. A masterpiece born from a visionary idea to create the lightest ECE type approved exhaust system that sounds and performs unlike anything you've ever experienced before due to its revolutionary active X-crossing. Uncompromisingly superior